Hello, Chippewa students. I'm Molly Holohan, the principal of Chippewa, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about masks. As you know, on Monday, February 28th, masks are no longer required, but are recommended for students and staff members who work in the Mounds View Public Schools. So, what does that mean specifically here at Chippewa? Here at Chippewa, we have a culture of kindness and respect. Some students are still going to choose to wear masks. They may do so because they have a compromised immune system or some other health concern. They may have a loved one who has cancer. They may be directed to do so by their parents or guardians, and frankly, it might just make them feel more safe or secure. Regardless of the reason why students wear masks, we are going to respect their wishes. You should not ask your classmates or the adults in this building why they wear a mask, and most definitely do not offer any negative comments about their mask wearing. Because we have a culture of kindness and respect here at Chippewa, conversely, we have students who are going to choose to not wear masks. And again, they're going to do so for a variety of reasons, and that is their individual choice. We will not ask them why they are not wearing a mask, nor will we negatively comment on their non-mask wearing. So what if you have a good friend and you guys don't see it the same way? Every person in this building deserves kindness and understanding. So if you and a friend have differing views on masks, please consider a kind compromise. If it's important to someone to wear a mask, consider putting one on as well when you're interacting with that person. There are still some requirements. By federal mandate, all students must wear a mask on the bus. This is true for school buses, for city buses, for airplanes. If you have COVID and you come back after 5 days, you have to wear a mask for 5 more days. So day number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of your quarantine. And again, if you are sick, please stay home. This is more important than ever. I feel like too often in our society, we are very one-sided. There are lots and lots of arguments that are happening around our country, around our state, around the globe, and we really, frankly, try hard just to see our one side of the issue. And boy, issues are complicated. There's more than two sides to something. We want our students to be empathetic and kind towards one another. Please be respectful of each other and every classmate and the choices that they and their family are making. When in doubt, be kind and accommodating. Take good care of yourself and each other. I appreciate your help with this, your understanding on this, and I wish you all a very good day.